How to transfer your Paysafecard balance to your PayPal within some seconds on your account. So for this, I will show you some of the genuine steps how you can actually do it because there is no direct option to do it. Simply sign into your Paysafecard application and then log into your account here in front of us. You have to enter your country's code here and then you should sign up here on your account on Paysafecard. How you can actually do it, you can simply transfer the balance from your Paysafecard to your PayPal, and then you can simply add the money from your bank account to your PayPal account. This is the only way how you can transfer the balance between these two because there is no direct option, there is no any other option to transfer this money. So this is about a bridge type of solution that how you can do it. You will need an intermediate bank account that will work between Paysafecard and PayPal both. I will repeat again how you can do it. Firstly, transfer the money from your Paysafecard to your bank account, or to you can also withdraw your cash from this, deposit that in your bank account, and then add money to your PayPal account from that bank in which you have deposited the money. So this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.